Before we start baking, we need to preheat our oven. So the recipe for the Morning Glory muffins, you preheat your oven to 340. We start with 2 cups of carrots, 1 large apple. This is oxidized apple. It's brown now. It was like this color. 3/4 cup of golden raisins, 1/2 cup of coconut flakes, and a 20-ounce can of pineapple, crushed pineapple, and we will drain the juice off. We will measure out our dry ingredients next. So we have our gluten-free flour blend. This flour blend has xanthan gum already in it, but if your flour blend doesn't, you're going to need to add a teaspoon of xanthan gum. But our flour blend again has xanthan gum in it, so it's 2 cups and 1/4. So 1, 2, and 1/4. And we have a tablespoon of cinnamon, carry away there. Okay, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. We have 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to do our liquids. So we have 3 eggs. We have coconut, 1/2 cup of coconut oil. We'll have 1/2 cup of grapeseed oil. Oops. Basically a cup of oil. I'll pour it in there. And we have 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Alright, let's get it all mixed up. Start with So our Morning Glory cupcake mix is made up. Muffin mix is made up. And I sprayed our pan here because I don't have the paper cups. But if you have paper cups, you put 2 paper cups in there. Or just spray with pan that tastes like butter. I think it tastes good. So now we'll just fill them up.